Executor for iOS just got a new update with fast installing method, and in this video I'm going to show you how to directly install the latest Delta Executor on your iPhone or iPad. I'll show you the entire process from downloading Delta, installing it, verifying the app if required, and getting everything ready on your device. Alright, let's get started. First, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Now go to applejr.net. Once you're on the website, look for the Delta Executor download page. You should see the newest available version, which for this video is Delta Executor iOS 2.733. Now tap the direct install button. You may get an iOS confirmation asking if you want to install the application. Tap install. Now go back to your home screen. You should see the Delta Executor icon appearing on your iPhone. Give it a moment to complete the installation. Once the icon is fully installed, don't open it immediately if iOS asks you to verify the developer first. If you try opening Delta and receive an untrusted enterprise developer message, open Settings, then go to General. Scroll down and open VPN and Device Management. Tap the profile and select Trust or Verify App. Now return to your home screen. Now let's open Delta Executor. And as you can see, Delta Executor is now installed directly on the iPhone. If the app opens normally, the installation was successful. And that's it. You now have Delta Executor iOS installed directly on your iPhone or iPad using applejr.net. No computer was needed for this direct install method. Remember that Delta availability can change, so if the app stops opening, check applejr.net again for the newest installation status. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.